Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the 12 best shampoos and treatments for thinning hair, according to experts. If you're struggling with hair thinning or hair loss, you're not alone. Think of your scalp like the soil for a beautiful garden. You gotta nourish it to grow healthy, strong flowers. Or in this case, hair. Our experts have weighed in on the best science-backed ingredients and solutions to help you out. So if you're ready to give your hair the TLC it deserves, keep watching.
First up is the Nioxin System Kit 2. Now this isn't just a shampoo, it's a whole system designed to treat thinning hair, especially for you folks with natural hair experiencing light thinning. What's great about Nioxin is that it uses a blend of ingredients like peppermint oil, niacinamide, and biotin. Peppermint oil gives your scalp this amazing tingling sensation, kind of like when you use a minty face mask, so refreshing. Biotin is like the holy grail for hair growth. It helps strengthen hair strands and prevents breakage. A lot of my patients have seen great results with Nioxin, and they love how clean and refreshed it makes their scalp feel. Remember, consistency is key with any hair treatment. Using the Nioxin System Kit regularly can make a big difference in the long run.
Let's talk about volume. If your hair's looking a little flat lately, the RevitaLash Thickening Shampoo might be your new best friend. This shampoo is like a volumizing hairspray in a bottle, but without all the crunchy, stiff feeling. It's packed with goodies that work together to plump up those hair strands, making them look and feel thicker. Plus, it helps to gently exfoliate your scalp, getting rid of all the gunk and buildup that can clog hair follicles and hinder growth. And here's a bonus. This shampoo also hydrates your hair without weighing it down. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and this shampoo is a great way to pamper both.
Next up is a product that's a personal favorite of mine, the Vegamour Gro Hair Serum. This serum is like a green smoothie for your scalp, packed with plant-powered ingredients that promote hair growth. One of the key ingredients is mung bean extract, which is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to help stimulate hair growth. Another ingredient I love is red clover extract, which helps to reduce inflammation and protect the scalp from damage. Just apply a few drops to your scalp daily, massage it in, and let it work its magic.
Chapter 4. Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Unscented Foam, the gold standard. Now, let's talk about the big guns, Rogaine, specifically the Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Unscented Foam. This is the stuff that's been clinically proven to regrow hair, and it's a go-to recommendation for dermatologists everywhere. You see, Rogaine contains minoxidil, which is an FDA-approved ingredient for hair loss. It works by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles, which helps to wake up those dormant follicles and encourage them to start growing hair again. Now, I know some people are hesitant to try Rogaine because they've heard it can be harsh or drying, but the foam formula is actually really gentle and doesn't leave your hair feeling sticky or greasy. The key to seeing results with Rogaine is consistency. You need to use it twice a day, every day, to really reap the benefits. So if you're serious about regrowing your hair, Rogaine is definitely worth considering.
Chapter 5. Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Solution. Same great results, different formula. For those of you who prefer a liquid formula, Rogaine also offers a 5% minoxidil solution. It's essentially the same great product as the foam, just in a different form. Some people find the solution easier to apply, especially if they have shorter hair or a more sensitive scalp. The great thing about Rogaine is that it caters to both men and women with its separate formulas. They understand that hair loss can be caused by different factors in men and women, so they've tailored their products accordingly. Now, one thing to keep in mind with the solution is that it can sometimes be a bit drying. So, if you have a naturally dry scalp, you might want to stick with the foam or make sure you're using a good moisturizing conditioner. Just like with the foam, consistency is key with the solution. If you're not sure which Rogaine formula is right for you, talk to your dermatologist.
Chapter 6. Avalon Organics Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. Soothe your scalp. Now, not all hair loss is created equal. Sometimes an irritated and itchy scalp can contribute to hair thinning. If that's the case, you need a shampoo that's going to soothe and calm your scalp. And that's where the Avalon Organics Tea Tree Oil Shampoo comes in. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, so it's great for calming down an itchy, flaky scalp. This shampoo also contains other soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, which help to reduce redness and irritation. While this shampoo isn't specifically formulated to regrow hair, it can definitely help to create a healthier environment for hair growth. By soothing the scalp and reducing inflammation, it allows the hair follicles to function properly and produce healthy hair. If you're dealing with an itchy, irritated scalp, I highly recommend giving this shampoo a try.
Let's talk about a brand that's been making waves in the hair care industry, Nutrafol. Their Root Purifier shampoo is a favorite among those seeking a more natural approach to hair growth. Nutrafol is all about using natural, drug-free ingredients to support hair health from the inside out. This shampoo is formulated with botanical extracts and essential oils that work together to cleanse the scalp, remove buildup, and create an optimal environment for hair growth. One of the key ingredients is ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that's known for its stress-reducing properties. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to support hair growth, Nutrafol is definitely worth checking out.
Want thicker, fuller-looking hair? The RevitaLash Volume Enhancing Foam is an award-winning hair treatment that does just that. It's like a volumizing mousse, but on steroids. This foam is designed to be used on both wet and dry hair, and it works by plumping up the hair shaft, making it look and feel thicker. It also helps to prevent breakage and brittleness, so your hair stays strong and healthy. One of the things I love about this foam is that it's super lightweight and doesn't leave any sticky residue. So, if you're looking for a product that can give you both volume and style, this foam is a winner.
Sometimes you need a multi-pronged approach to combat hair thinning. The Bosley MD Revive Volumizing System is a 3-step system that's designed to do just that. This system includes a shampoo, conditioner, and a hair thickening treatment that work together to cleanse, nourish, and volumize your hair. The shampoo gently cleanses the scalp and hair without stripping away essential oils. The conditioner hydrates and detangles, leaving your hair soft and manageable. And the hair thickening treatment is the star of the show, working to plump up the hair shaft and create the illusion of thicker, fuller hair. Each product in the system is formulated with ingredients that address the specific needs of thinning hair. If you're looking for a comprehensive hair care system that can help you achieve thicker, fuller-looking hair, the Bosley MD Revive Volumizing System is definitely worth considering.
Dry, brittle hair can be more prone to breakage, which can contribute to thinning hair. The Art Naturals Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is a great option for those looking to hydrate and nourish their hair. Argan oil is like liquid gold for your hair. It's packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, restoring moisture and shine. It's also known for its ability to tame frizz and flyaways, leaving your hair looking smooth and sleek. This shampoo is also sulfate-free, which means it won't strip away your hair's natural oils. What I love about this shampoo is that it's super affordable and easily accessible. If you're looking for a hydrating and rejuvenating shampoo that won't break the bank, the Art Naturals Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo is a great option.
For those with sensitive scalps, finding a shampoo that's both gentle and effective can be a challenge. The Grown Alchemist Anti-Frizz Shampoo is a great option for those with sensitive skin who are looking to tame frizz and flyaways. This shampoo is formulated with gentle, plant-derived ingredients that cleanse the hair without stripping away its natural oils. It's also free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens, which can be harsh and irritating to the scalp. One of the key ingredients in this shampoo is hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant. Humectants attract and retain moisture, which helps to keep the hair hydrated and manageable. Another star ingredient is baobab seed extract, which is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. If you're looking for a gentle and effective shampoo that will leave your hair feeling soft, smooth, and frizz-free, the Grown Alchemist Anti-Frizz Shampoo is a great option.
Let's end this by going back to the science of hair growth. We've talked a lot about different products, but it's important to understand the key ingredient that makes many of them work, minoxidil. Minoxidil is the real deal when it comes to hair loss treatments. It's one of the few ingredients that's FDA approved and clinically proven to regrow hair. Minoxidil works by widening the blood vessels around these follicles, which allows more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to reach them. This increased blood flow stimulates the hair follicles, encouraging them to enter the growth phase. It also helps to prolong the growth phase, so your hair grows longer and thicker before it sheds. Minoxidil is available in various forms, including topical solutions, foams, and even shampoos.
Thanks for watching. We covered a lot of ground today, from natural solutions to clinically proven treatments. Remember, finding the right shampoo or treatment for your hair type and concerns might take a bit of trial and error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert advice on hair care.